We are charging. Are you looking for a solar charger for your cell phone and other electronic devices? I was. I'm pretty excited about this. The green light is on, indicating that it is charging using solar power. My solar charger came in a pretty plain box. Those details, manufacturing information. It does have a user manual that gives some graphics. Here's a close-up of some of the details of the user manual. Some features about why I ordered this one. I wanted a 4-panel, but this has a little snap, so it closes up. Quite compact. And it has 4 panels. I thought that probably would charge a little bit faster than a single panel solar. So pretty nice details. There's stitching around the edge. That's what one of the solar panels looks like. It has a USB port. So when this gets charged, you can plug in 2 devices to take the charge from this solar charger to your device. You can use this port and your own USB cord to charge this device from something else, electricity or another device. So this part's pretty heavy, as it probably should be. Has a flashlight feature on the back. And I like that it's compact. Charging using solar power. Green light is on. I actually left it outside all night long, so I guess it's also weatherproof, waterproof. I'm only seeing 3 blue lights blinking. It should be 4. I've had this charging for 3 days in the sun, and I can't get this last blue light to come on to show that it's fully charged. So I'm going to go ahead and just plug it in to an electrical outlet. Let's see if I can get that last one lit up. So I'll open this flap, plug this in into that, and then plug this in into an electrical outlet hub that I already have. It does not come with that. This is all that comes with this product. Check in the text below and I'll provide a link where you can also buy this product or similar. It shows that it is charging that way. Charging in the outlet seems to be what it needed. A couple of hours of that and we're good to go on all 4 blue lights. I can fold it back up, clasp it shut. Now it's fully charged. Just this light, because you can mash it 1 time to see what the charge is. Hold it down for the flashlight. 1 more time for the flashing light. 1 more time for the strobe light. 1 more time to cut it off. And I guess that goes off by itself. This is my old phone. I let it completely go dead. I should be able to take the original phone cord from my Samsung. Plug it in. Pull the flap down on the solar charger. Put this in. And we should start charging. And there we are. So it is charging. 2 hours and 38 minutes until fully charged. Okay, we'll come back and see. It actually charged the phone up a little bit faster than it said, about 20-30 minutes. It's still showing a good charge on the solar charger as well. Happy. If you have time before you go, watch another video and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.